Hello everyone, this is Jose again from the EInk Club. Today I would like to review with you this Boox Poke 2 which I have unboxed it a few days ago. Let's talk about the design and button layout. This Poke 2 has a 6 inches EInk screen. The build quality is very good. I would say this is the best among all other Boox devices. The design of this is very modern, very stylish. It makes me think a lot about the Kobo Aura original, which I love a lot. The back is rubberized with a very good texture. It is easy to grip. You don't have to grip excessively hard to hold steadily. Poke 2 is running Android 9 with a CPU from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 625. This CPU has been used on a lot of mid-range Android phones and has proven to be a very efficient CPU. With this CPU, the system is running very smoothly on Poke 2. I will not speak too much in the video because everything I want you to know has been marked in the caption. And to save a little bit of production time to bring you this video a little bit earlier. After my last review video on the Boox Nova 2, many viewers asked if the Google Play Store and the Google Play Books are working properly on these Android EInk tablet. So in this part of the video, I would like to show you how they are working here on this Poke 2. Google Play Books is working perfectly well on Poke 2. If you turn off the 3D page turning effect, that would make the page turning much smoother. The dark mode is working properly as well, but the ghosting will be much more noticeable after you have enabling the dark mode. The text-to-speech function is usable too, but you have to use a Bluetooth headset to listen to the system to read the book out for you because there's no internal speaker on this Poke 2. On all Boox latest devices, there are 4 screen refresh modes, which you can optimize the screen refresh rates according to different scenarios. There is a very interesting X mode which allows you to watch videos on these EInk devices. This video was going to be monochrome anyway, but is it smooth? Is it definitely usable? You can watch a very short clip of infographics on it without any problems. So in this part of the video, I would like to show you how these 4 screen refresh modes works. I have to say that I love the native reading app that comes with the Boox devices, or it opens and supports a lot of different ebooks formats. At the same time, it allows you to customize a lot about the reading experience. So in this part of the video, I will show you what you can do and what you can customize in the native book reading apps. Since nearly all new e-ink devices these days are equipped with Bluetooth, I've always wondered what you can do with the Bluetooth. Surely you can listen to audiobooks on your e-ink device through a Bluetooth headset, but what else? It is a very tempting idea to write or type on an e-ink device with a Bluetooth keyboard. Now I'm going to show you how a Bluetooth keyboard will work on Poke 2 and what is the optimal screen refresh setting to be used. I was using a Kobo Aura HD before I got this Poke 2. I was a very long time a Kobo user since the day of Kobo Aura Original, which one of my all-time favorite e-reader, I have to admit, because I have the pink one. It's just very eye-catching, it's very stylish. With this Poke 2, I finally met another stylish and modern e-reader. It is very light, very portable. I can easily tuck it into my trousers pocket and carry it around. And the best part of it is it has Android. I can install apps on it. I've just installed Spotify so I can listen to music while reading on it. But there's one obvious downside of having Android, is that we may easily get distracted. But Android opens up a lot of possibility for you. Just like you can write unique story on an e-ink Android tablet without straining your eyes on a notebook computer. It is not something you can do with a Kobo or a Kindle. Or it opens up a lot of possibilities for you to explore, just like you can type with a Bluetooth keyboard on such a e-ink devices. It's just so much fun with Android on e-ink. Or there's something more that I would like to ask Boox to over on Poke 2 or the coming device. First is the choice of body color. I always missed my pink or Kobo Aura original, which is the pettiest e-ink reader I ever have. Second, I would love to see an Wacom-equipped 6 inches Android e-ink tablet as a notebook, filofax, or organizer's replacement options. Or I just don't want to carry my bulky organizers made daily anymore. Third, the lowest level of blacklight is still too bright for reading in complete darkness. And in this video, I'm showing you the Poke 2, the Kobo Aura XD, and the Lightbook Muses, all on the lowest level of blacklight setting. As you can see, Poke 2 is still far too bright for reading in complete darkness, or the best to read there is with a Kobo Aura XD. And the last one. Please use the USB Type-C instead of the outdated micro USB, so we don't need an extra cable when we are on the road. So please bring that back. Thanks for watching this video, and please leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. And do remember, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Boox Hong Kong representative has just reached out to me and offered this generous discount. You can use the discount code EInk at boox.com.hongkong to make the purchase and enjoy this discount.